Hi, welcome back. This is Lalit again. This is my video number three, and in my previous two videos for the Bright Directories, I have already covered a lot of portions about the features for the admin panel for your Bright Directories. I'm just reviewing it, what we have covered it in last two videos, so that you will be able to understand. And then in this present video, we will go by another two, three options of this. I'll try to cover entire portion, but as the functions are quite large, so we need to describe it each and every function. So let me do it for you, and then we will create another videos for remaining functions, and then you can watch them. So in my previous two videos, if you have seen already, so this is my third video, we have already covered the dashboard, which have go to dashboard section, activity tracker, then the members, which have the search members, member categories, member reviews. We have already covered manage web pages, post, media manager, leads. Under the leads, we have manage leads, which I have already described it, what are the leads and all. In the finance sections, we already covered off our create membership plans, transaction history. Yeah, in the last video, I forget to cover one small things. I will just cover this in a very short period so that you will understand it. If you see that upcoming payments, I click on upcoming payments here. It will give you an idea about the payments, invoice ID, date, time, members, product, amount, and all this. Product is basically the categories and all. So service ID, similarly the pending payments, which is being listed off. These are the payments you have received it, but maybe it has not been settled off, whatever the reason of, right? And then this is refunded payments, right, which you have already refunded. And stop payment, which I have explained it, the membership which has been either the invoices has been cancelled off, or particular members has not been paid, and if paid and it has been cancelled off. So those are details, you can see it. So I did not cover in my previous video, so I'm just covering it here so that you will get an idea. Now, payment gateway we have already covered, which I have explained you, Stripe, PayPal, and RazorPay for the Indian clients. And also we can have it another payment currencies gateways. You just let us know. Now, in this video, I'll try to cover three, four functions. So we'll start by coupon and deals. Now, as a directory owner, you will always have to have your main objective is to create your own revenues, and you want to have more members on your platform. So when you want to have more members, you want to run certain deals for your members to be faster capturing of the members and get listed on them. So for that reason, we have also have an options of coupons and deals where you can create your own deals for your different membership plans, and those coupons or deals can be used by those members who will be signed off in those membership plans. So let me show you on the right side corner. If you see it, we have a add new coupon code, from where if I click on it, there is a window open, and then you can create your own coupons from here. So let me try to do it. 101 maximum user, what you wanted to use it, sorry, maximum users means number of the time this particular coupon code can be used of. Let's say you want to, if this code is 101, can be used only two times. So if two members use it, it will be finished off. So you can set up discounts as fixed value or price override or percentage discount, and you can set up the discounts values as you need it across. Now, in this required card means when the person is putting up a card, it will be displayed off, or you can also hide the credit card informations to be displayed off when he is filling it off. Now, when this can code be used, you can also set that up. Like if somebody want to upgrade from free membership to the paid, or somebody only for the new signups. So those who has been already signed up and they want to upgrade it, this code cannot be used up if you want it for the new signups only. So this also you can set it up. We have a complete free, flexibility the way you needed to use it, these kind of coupon codes and the coupon structures for your users. This can increase your revenues as you need it. Now you can set up your own date as per your specific requirement when you want to start this coupon and when you are going to expire this coupon code. So that's also you can set it up. Now another thing is this, you now this code you want to be used by which category of your membership plan. So whatever the category you have created off so far under it, you can choose them up, and then once you choose it up, it will be automatically active for those users only. Now let's say I choose it for diamond and gold, so this will be only for diamond and gold. So for new signups only. So the members who will be signing up under gold and diamond plan, and that's a new sign up, will be they can avail this code and can have a benefit of whatever the value you wanted to have it, right? So once I submit it, it is being created off, right? So once it's created up, maximum use is 2 times used. As of now, nobody has been used it. So you can see it. Now from here, you can also edit further. Now let's say you did something mistake. So you can again edit, save changes and do it. So it's very easy to use in the coupons and codes. You can create it, share it to your network where you want to make join new members, or maybe you can use it those codes for email campaigns so that you can have more number of the users. Now, beside this is coupons and deal. Now let's go to the email functions of this. This is one of the most important features of our Bright Directories, where you will have two options: view contacts and compose emails. Now by this through you can easily manage your communication with your users. Now if you see it, this is one, some of the inquiry details, some of them has been sent email to you. You can see them from here. You can view the email from here, who sent you across. You can reply them, subject, do it, click on submit, and then you can reply it out. You can also check it out, any kind of email. You can delete them also. This is basically a kind of contact form from the members, or maybe a contact form from your contacts. Also you can do it and manage it. You can also add the note from internal purposes. Also you can do that. Now compose email. This particular function is being used to the members. Like if you want to communicate the members within the community or whatever the members you have it, you can send an email. You just select the members names, put it up there, the email, just compose the email and send the test email. It will be automatically send it across. You just can write it out, the email content, whatever you want to have a content to be written it off, it can be written over here, and just click on email, send test email, subject. Here you can write a subject, whatever it is. Recipient, let's say Lalit at Bright Directories. If I'm a member of this directory, I will receive. If I will write an email which is outside this directory, the email will not send it across. Basically, this is only for the members communication. Okay, so for the outside communication, who has been, you can see it from the view content. Now just click in on it and you can send it. Also in the emails, we have functions where you can integrate the mailship and sendgrid function. So that's also has been there, and you can avail those facilities. You can just connect with us at support at Bright Directories, and tech team will help you out for that. Now, beside that, let's come back to another function of this. This is the setting function. Now, I should have told you this initially itself. Now, when you first time set up your website, right, the directory website, this setting function is to be used of. Actually, this is the first features you must use it to set up your own website. So it has three functions. One is channel settings. Second is design settings, right? Third is domain manager, right? Primary domain and secondary domain. So when I click on general settings, it has general, website logo, social media, configuration and integration. Now in the general settings, like what is your website name? Suppose my wedding stories, whatever name. What are the industries? What are the website phone number? The phone number which is being used by you for communicating to the clients and all those things. Your professional name, your default website email, whatever the default website email you will be using across. Because when you communicate to your users, this is the default email. It will be always displayed to them, and it is always the emails will be sent by this default email only, and you will be receiving the email default to this email address. So put up an exactly the function email which you wanted to use it for your user to communicate. Now then you can put it up your website logo. If you see on your left side, this one, your company logo, if I change it, it will be changed up. Social media, whatever the social media you have it for your website, you set it up entirely. You can have RSS feed also, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter. So easily configurations, you can do that. Then you have a configuration, you can select your time zone. What are the time zone you want to select it from your, this is your standard time zone website selections. Then you have a location search. I mean, if you wanted to be search your directory besides your location, you select as one, right? Let's say you're based out in New York and you don't want to have search your directory besides New York, so you can search as in zero and primary country and city that will be searched off most frequently. If you do it one, it will be searched off entirely. Now then you can set up your own currency, whatever the currency you wanted to set up as a default. You can set up any kind of currency you wanted to have it. And this is your Google Analytics ID. Just put it up at Google Analytics ID. Basically, all the website integration can be have a Google Analytics, and you can have it listed so that the pages can be indexed and integrated. You can integrate your Google Maps. You can put out an API key, developer key, reCAPTCHA, and all. The captcha is basically for when during the sign up, if you put it up, more security is there, spammer will be away, and your website will be more secure. So we kept up that, put it up that, and automatically it will be having a functions of it. So it's a complete package, and you can easily set it up. Now we have a design settings also. This was the home page slider where you can add a new slider, add three slider, and automatically the slider will be working out. Then the banner add design, how and where you want to do placement of this head. This is sidebar banner, this is header banner, this is footer banner, this is extra banner. Add one, two, three. You can choose it. You can choose it. The URL also you can choose it. Whatever the use custom embedded code, whatever the code you have it, you can do that easily. You can handle it off. Homepage slideshow, and this is the homepage layout. Once you choose the theme, entire layout ordering setting will be differentiated off, and then you can see it from the preview settings and you can adjust that easily. So basically, when you have the first theme, this will be the first settings. You can easily set it up your website easily, and if you see it, there is no as such technical knowledge to be needed across, and you can easily manage it. And I think there will be no problem to put it up these information. But if you still face any challenges and problem, we're always here to help you out. Now once you set up the settings, you can also go to toolbox where you can easily set up your menus, where there are footer menu, header menus. You can easily enable them, edit them. You can add them, expand, save changes. You can easily add your menus and all. This is the form manager. This is one of the biggest functions of this. Now you can create your own forms. This is easily you can form you want to create it off, you can easily create it off from this functions. I will create a separate video for this entire listing and also the another functions to create it off so that you can get an idea of the detailing. Let me sign it off. So I will cover in the next video the form manager, and also on under the search members, this functions are there to create it off, and then the last sections, whatever it is been left it off, I will cover in that video. So for now we have almost covered entire video in this video, most of the functions, and you can easily set it up. So I'm signing it off for now, and let me create another videos for the balance functions, and I hope that can clarify your all the doubts of how you can use this admin sections. And then I will create a separate video for your front end where you can have a registration, sign up, slide bars, and all. What is the websites and how it is going working, and you will have an idea about it. So I'm signing off for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll come back to you soon for another video for the remaining functions. Thank you.